Hello everyone! Welcome to the Wonderful Channel. Today, we decided to eat some delicious sushi, Japan's most popular dish. So we've come to Shimizu City in Shizuoka Prefecture. After all, Shimizu Port is the leading landing site for tuna in Japan. Tons of tuna are brought here from fishing grounds all over Japan and the world daily. Not to mention that Suruga Bay, where Shimizu Port is located, has a thriving local fishing industry, making this the perfect place to find delicious seafood. We heard that there is an area near here called Shimizu Sushi Yokocho that is lined with delicious sushi restaurants. So we're gonna head over and try some of the freshest sushi you can find in Japan. After walking for about 10 minutes from Shimizu Station, we came across a building that looks like a market. This market is called Kashinoichi. You can buy fresh fish here. Since we're already here, let's check it out. Kashinoichi is filled with wholesalers who sell fish directly from Shimizu Port. It is an establishment where you can purchase fresh and delicious fish at reasonable prices. You can see a giant tuna on display immediately as you walk in. Professional connoisseurs carefully select an assortment of fresh seafood and lay it out on display for sale. The large selection of tuna available is a testament to Shimizu Port's reputation as the largest tuna port in Japan. This is the kind of fresh fish we can expect to be served in sushi here. Alright, let's move on to Sushi Yokocho. It's only a 15-minute walk from the market. The Sushi Yokocho is located here in the S Pole Stream Plaza. Its Ferris wheel is a local landmark. After we enter the building and walk down the middle of the first floor, we come across the entrance to Sushi Yokocho. Would you look at that? Another giant tuna fish! The tuna industry is deeply rooted in the Shimizu area and is a source of pride for locals. This smaller tuna is very lively. Now it's time to eat. Sushi restaurants line the street here in a way that recreates the atmosphere of Shimizu Port that flourished in the late 1900s. It's hard to decide which one to go to because all the restaurants' menus look delicious. Today, we're going to eat at Kaiten Sushi Nobuchan. There are usually containers like this one with powdered tea on the table. After adding a small amount like this into your cup, you use the tap at the table like this one to serve hot water. When we sit down at a sushi restaurant, the first thing we do is make tea. Hot tea is commonly served at sushi restaurants in Japan as a palate cleanser. However, it is boiling, so please be careful when you drink it. The tea is complimentary no matter how much you drink, so feel free to drink as much as you like. Next, it's time to order the sushi. Let's order some of that fresh tuna that Shimizu is famous for. We order using the tablet on the table. After a short wait, over there, Our tuna is coming down the conveyor belt. The sushi topping, called neta in Japanese, is a thick slice of tuna fillet. The fresh fish is shimmering and juicy looking. The meat is soft and fatty. It tastes so good. It's also very satisfying since the fish fillet is so big and thick. Next, we're gonna order some locally caught sakura shrimp and red bream. Just minutes after pressing the order button, the red bream and sakura shrimp come down the conveyor belt one after the other. Sakura shrimp are small, deep-sea shrimps found in very few places across the globe. Even in Japan, practically all the sakura shrimps sold here are exclusively caught in Suruga Bay. They're a popular topping on sushi with a deliciously crunchy texture and sweet, savory flavor. Sakura shrimp this fresh can only be tasted here. Red bream is an expensive fish, and in Japan, it is believed to be an auspicious fish that brings longevity and good fortune. The white flesh extending out from the bright red flesh is juicy and full of flavor. It's exceptionally flavorful. We also ordered horse mackerel, salmon roe gunkan, cucumber rolls, and yellowtail. We enjoyed so much fresh sushi. You will also usually find a square container like this on your table at a sushi restaurant. Inside it is sweet pickled ginger called gari. Gari is a staple palate cleanser that has been eaten with sushi for centuries because of its antiseptic sterilizing properties. These properties help prevent food poisoning and eliminate the fishy smell from the mouth. Gari has a refreshing taste with the perfect combination of sourness and sweetness. Be sure to try some next time you visit a sushi restaurant. This is also free to eat. To finish up our meal today, let's order something from the side menu. Nobu-chan's side menu has a variety of dishes listed: miso soup, chawanmushi, a savory egg custard dish, fried chicken, French fries, and other non-sushi related treats are available. From the list, we decided on miso soup with asari clams. The warm miso soup was just what we needed after eating the cold-served sushi. More and more sushi restaurants in Japan now use tablets like this one here at Nobu-chan for placing orders. These tablets usually offer the option to change the language, so you don't have to worry about ordering if you're not confident in reading Japanese. After filling our bellies, we head up to the second floor. The S. Polstream Plaza is home to the Shimizu Sushi Museum, the only sushi museum in Japan. Let's go! As you enter, you are greeted with a charming glimpse into the past. Here, you can learn all about the history and culture of sushi in Japan. The museum offers multilingual audio guidance, so those interested in learning more about sushi are certain to have a fun day out here. What did you think of our trip to eat sushi at Shimizu Port? Port towns offer the best sushi at the most reasonable prices, as they can serve the freshest fish straight from the sea. If you ever visit Japan, please visit Sushi Yokocho at Shimizu Port. And if you do, let us know what you think in the comments. Here on this channel, we still have many more wonderful experiences in Japan to share with you. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe. Thanks for coming along with us today. See you in the next video.